Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Voice and signing in with the Google account you'll use for calls. Once signed in, choose or confirm the Google Voice number to place calls from. This is important because it controls caller ID. Make sure your device's microphone and call permissions are granted in the app or browser settings so audio works. If you plan to use a linked phone, attach it now. These steps set up identity and audio so calls connect reliably. Next, start the actual call by tapping the call icon and typing the number or picking a contact. Use digits for country codes when needed. Once you choose the contact, pick how to place the call directly over the web app, via mobile data through the app, or by forwarding through a linked carrier number, because each method affects audio quality and charges. Check microphone and speaker routing, and mute if needed. After confirming these options, press Call to connect. Finish by managing the in-call controls. Use mute, keypad for automated systems, and speaker to change audio output. These help navigate prompts and group settings. When you're done, tap the red end button and review call history or voicemail for records. If the call fails or audio is poor, make sure permissions are allowed, your network is stable, and then try switching from web to mobile app or to linked carrier forwarding. This quick troubleshooting often resolves common connectivity or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.